Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my today's video, I shall be sharing with you a recipe for a face wash. This is the turmeric face wash which I have made using turmeric powder along with some other skin loving ingredients. This can brighten your face, reduce acne scars and pigmentation, and also give you a glow like finish. If you want to know, please continue watching. To make this face wash, I am using wild turmeric powder or kasturi manjal, which is easily available online or in any kirana stores. It has cosmetic purposes because it can reduce pigmentation and also has antibacterial and antioxidant properties which can improve the texture of your skin and also brighten your skin. The next is glycerin, which is an important part of this face wash. It has moisturizing properties. It is an humectant, that is, it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere into the skin and keep it plump. And the next is aloe vera gel. Again, aloe vera gel also has moisturizing properties. It doesn't dry your skin when you use this in face wash. It also has salicylic acid, which can exfoliate your skin mildly and remove dead skin cells. It can also improve the texture of your skin by reducing hyperpigmentation and acne scars. The next would be turmeric essential oil. This is an optional one. You can use any essential oil which can also has a same like turmeric properties. The next is vitamin E oil. You can use drops like this or even a capsule. One capsule would do for this. It also has moisturizing properties. The next would be rose water, which can balance the pH of your skin. It doesn't dry the skin like any other ingredient. The next would be this castile soap, liquid castile soap, which acts as the base of your face wash. It doesn't have sulfates. This castile soap can be used as a face wash or a body wash or even in shampoos. This is easily available online. This can cleanse your skin and also it can tackle stubborn dirt on your face. Therefore, I'm using castile liquid soap. To pour all these face wash ingredients into a bottle, I'm using a dispenser. I've cleaned and washed this dispenser which I had used as a face wash only. So this would be an ideal one. Otherwise, you can use a small glass bottle also. To make this face wash, all you need to do is mix all the ingredients one by one. Here I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of castile soap. Depending on the quantity of soap you are making, you can use this. Always make in small quantities so that you can know how this works on your skin. After adding castile soap, I've added a few drops of glycerin, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, a pinch of turmeric. Be sure that you use a pinch, not much, otherwise it can stain your skin. And again, the oil goes into this, a few drops of vitamin E oil and 1 or 2 drops of turmeric essential oil. If you don't have turmeric essential oil, you can use any other essential oil like tea tree or even lavender. This is an optional one. I've just used it for enhancing the aroma and the texture of my skin. So mix all these ingredients and finally add half a cup or 3/4 cup of this rose water, depending on how much dilution you need. I like to keep it thick because my dispenser also has a thick opening so that it can dispense required amount of soap into my hand. Therefore, I am keeping it a bit thicker. So I have used this dispenser to pour the contents of this cup into it, and I'll be capping it tightly. So this can be used daily, even in the night also. It can be used to remove your makeup or even your sweat, dirt, all those things which can irritate your skin. So this is used as usual. Just wet your palm or wet your face. Take some soap face wash into your hand, work up lather and apply on your skin and rub it in circular motions until you feel your skin is clean. This is used as good as soap only. You can use it on your body also. You can use it to exfoliate your skin. You can use it to remove makeup You can use it early morning, even in the night when you want to just wash your face. It works very good. So since it is very cost effective, it is easy to make. So try this and see how it works for you. If you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.